Introducing the ultimate luxury plug-in hybrid electric SUV with automatic transmission. This vehicle is not just a car, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Loaded with comfort and technology, features like air conditioning, cruise control, satellite navigation, and more. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. The stylish exterior is complemented by roof rails, spoiler, and privacy glass. Plus, with features like energy recuperation and a stop-start system, this SUV is as eco-friendly as it is luxurious. And don't forget about the full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and service to manufacturer specification. Ready to upgrade your drive? Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on this amazing vehicle.